So this is ITCE week 10 video number 5. I think there's going to be lots of videos this week. So this sort of starts or continues on with the work experience section. So the work experience section is where you're going to list all of the different work experiences that you've had. So they might not be in the IT field. They could be part-time jobs that you've done. And if you don't have any part-time jobs or full-time job experience, then this section, it could be just related experience, okay? And you're going to try to, remember, you're targeting this cover letter and resume to a specific job. So you're not going to list everything that you did at every one of your jobs. You're going to list the things that you did or identify the things that you did that are going to demonstrate that you have the skills and the knowledge to do the job in the posting. Okay, and you're going to list that information or talk about what you did at these different work experiences by listing bulleted points, so point form, not complete sentences, so point form information. And each one of the points, you're going to begin with a verb, and preferably an action verb that illustrates what you did. So something, so you don't say as a team, or it's what you specifically did at that work that demonstrates you have a skill or knowledge required for the job posting. Now, this is where you can bring in some of those soft skills that you identified in that chart, things like communication skills, teamwork skills, leadership skills, problem-solving skills. So those can be the action verbs sometimes that you use to describe what you did, okay? So for example, if you were a coach, you might have trained colleagues on how to do something, on how to use the database management system to input something. So if you're not sure how you write an achievement statement or share this information, then one, look in the Career Development Resumes booklet that I've posted for you. And the other thing is, do these activities right here on the screen. Okay, so they're not posted in the assignment. You can do them right here. So pause the video, open up the PowerPoint, and kind of walk through and put your answers in. Okay, so this is what a duty statement looks like, and you're not going to get a lot of credit for this on the assignment if you describe your work experiences using only duty statements. Instead, I want you to try to have scope statements or accomplishment or achievement statements, okay? And again, like I said, here's some sample ones, but take some time to look at what you've done at each of these jobs, what they require in the job posting, and see if there's a way that you can state what you did in a way that demonstrates you have what they want. Okay, and here's another activity that you can do from the Career Development booklet. Okay, so take a look at my instructions down here. Can help you out. Another thing that I often recommend to students is that you look at the course learning outcomes on your course outlines for the program, and you'll see that they were all written with a verb at the beginning, the context, and some kind of accomplishment or achievement. So you can take some of those course learning outcomes from some of your IT programming courses or your systems courses, and you can use those as accomplishment statements if they reflect what you were doing at a job, or if you're just saying completed courses in this area because you have related experience. So you're writing about projects. Okay, so this is what the ITCE course learning outcomes look like. They might not be the most helpful ones for your resume, but that's what you're looking for in the course outlines. Okay, so 3 to 5, ideally, accomplishment statements per job. Make sure you use the correct verb tense. So if it's a job that you still have, use the present tense. If it's a job that you're no longer doing, use the past tense. And I'll end here, and then we'll start on the other sections in your resume.